Hello, football lovers. Great all. If this is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So when you just updated you today that Kaizer Chiefs outcast no longer living in January after impressing NAB. Kaizer Chiefs defensive midfielder Sibongiseni Mthethwa future might just have been saved by his performance during the Home of Legends Cup tournament. The 30-year-old star was reportedly going to be replaced on the transfer list by Kaizer Chiefs, but Nasreddine Nabi has since decided to give the player a chance. Sibongiseni Mthethwa has followed down the packing order since the arrival of the Tunisia coach in July. The man known as Ox is yet to feature for Kaizer Chiefs this season, but that can soon change. The former Stellenbosch defensive midfielder impressed Amakhosi assistant coaches Henry Katz and Kellen Ben Yusuf during the Legends Cup. You understand, with Ox for pre-season, he was not a plug in the starting 11. After that, I've pushed him. He boosted his morale to give a maximum in training and giving him a specific profile, Nabi said. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.